Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. We're going to try to make this short and sweet and, simple ways. Here's what it is. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools can be found. No, we don't need you today, Julio, because all it takes is a wrench. Here we go. If you want to default your computer, this works about 95% of the time. If your car is just not running right, it doesn't seem to be accelerating correctly, this is a great way to set your computer back to default. Some say it works, some say it doesn't. We say here at Sweet Project Cars that it works like a charm. All you do is disconnect your power cable and your ground cable for 24 hours. Leave them completely off. Do not touch them. Hook them back up. Start driving. Now the car may act a little weird when you're first doing it because what it's doing is recalibrating the ejectors and everything else that the computer does. Drive it for a few miles and pretty soon the thing will start running like nobody's business. It's that simple. How to reset your computer back to default. GoPro, stop recording.